how to mute the audio or lower the volume of the video you're editing, then add a song to play in the background. So this is a basic tutorial for beginners using the VN Video Editor app. When you're ready to do this, if you simply want to just mute your audio, you can tap on this icon right here. When you tap on that, that's going to mute the audio, leaving no audio to play for that video original audio, okay? Now, if you want to keep the audio and you want to just lower it, you'll tap here. And then in this section right here, you'll see the volume section. You'll tap on that one time and you'll hear the sound. And you can just kind of lower it down if you want to, okay? And then you just press the check mark. If it's multiple video clips you're working with, be sure to press apply to all, okay? Now, once you're done with this here now, if you want, of course, you can come back and make changes to this here. I'm gonna go ahead and mute it right now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a song to my video, okay? And this is gonna be pulling a song that's saved on my device, okay? We're not using any of those free songs there because it might be copyrighted. So you'll wanna tap here where it says tap to add music, okay? And wherever your white bar is, that's where the song is gonna appear first. But even though you can adjust that later. So tap here, and you're gonna see these three options here. You're gonna see music, effect, and record. So you'll go to music, then this is going to happen right here, okay? So the next thing you wanna do now is go to where it says My Music. So you'll tap on that one time. This is gonna show up here, and you want to just simply use the search right here. Okay, if you know the songs you want, you can go through here, or if anything is here, or go to the file app. But if you know the exact song name you want, you can use the search here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and type in NCS because I know that's some of the songs that I can use for myself here, okay? And once we find the song we want, we can select it here. And we can also adjust it from here, okay? We can trim it to fit the entire video duration, okay? But it's gonna kind of automatically fit for you because the video itself is 16 seconds long, so they adjusted that for you. You can do the fade in and fade out from here, or we can also press play if you wanna hear the song before you add it, and press the check mark here. Then you can now go ahead, I'll just tap away, I just wanna show you something here, okay? Let's go back here. And if you wanted to do something else with the song, right? So notice how it's gonna matching here, okay, with the purple area here. If you wanna edit that again, you can come here and then you can go back again and you'll see this volume option here and the fade option, okay? So let me just lower this down here. I will tap here and then you can lower it down like that. Press the check mark. You can do your fade in and fade out. So fade out is the end part, fade in is the beginning. So it's gonna start faded in. And if you're doing this for multiple audio clips, you can go to apply all or just one, okay? Now, if you just so happen to have too much of that song here, once again, tap on it and you can use the split option here to remove a part. So maybe I wanted to delete this part here to the end or a part in the middle. What I can do is go with split like that. And when I tap here, I can delete that part, or maybe just this little part here. I'll bring it over some more, split, and then tap, make sure this is selected, and then delete that part, okay? And you can just bring this over to continue, or just delete it if you don't want it, okay? So like and sub.